Hello, my name is Andrei Kulikov, and in this video, I'd like to show you the opportunity for machine learning in Google Docs Sheets. So I have a data set, simple for uh, logistic regression, user ID, gender, age, estimated salary, and purchase the 0 or 1. I will predict this purchased target. So I'll load this data set in Google, open, upload, browse. Okay, and I'll open it with Google Sheets. So it's opening, and in the extension, I activated the simple ML for Sheets by using this app sheet icon. It is simple. So it is here. Add-ons, get add-ons, and then what's called ML, also simple ML, and then install, and then refresh the page, and I'll see the start button. So let's start. So here is the steps for machine learning. For example, I can predict missing values. So let's delete here and here, for example, and start this column with empty. This is estimated salary. Okay, predict, it will think a little bit, and it tells me 63 and 1,000. If I put this, it is not correct but near. So I will not delete. So then I can spot abnormal values. Let's try. What is it? Estimated salary. Predict most likely. Strange thing. I'll check it later. Okay. Score. It scores how abnormal the values of a column are. Also predicts the most likely value. And if this one, abnormal 0, likely. Yes, maybe. Okay, fine. This data set is very simple. Uh, I made an experiment with a big data set, but it was too long for video. Okay, so let's train a model. I'll put the name of it is social, social exp, social ads, okay, label, label, purchased, and source columns are the other. So I can choose here uh, algorithms. So I checked two of them before. I'll try now decision tree. So let's train. 400 examples, 4 features, close. So it is trained. Then I can make predictions, for example. It will make me make a new column as far as I remember. Yes. So uh, not good result. I don't like it. Let me train a model with gradient boosted trees. You see here is 0, but here is 0.4. Close. So train a model, make predictions with this one. Predict. Mhm. So yes, I'll use this one because it is near one. Fine. Okay. Then I can evaluate a model to check the result of it. So here are some graphs, plots, uh, description. It is a regression, but it's a logical regression where I have 0 or 1. It's important. It's important. Okay, so what I have? False positive rates and true positive, so it's a good result, I suppose. And some other plots, very interesting, something new for me. Hmm. Residual, okay, fine. I'll explore it later, I suppose. So uh, then I can. I saw somewhere that it can um, one hot the string type. What and where is it? So okay, now I can understand a model. Understand the model. Так. So male, input gender. Okay. So, quality, quality. Uh-huh. What? Here it is categorical. Categorical. Manually defined in dictionary vocab size 0 odd not frequent female. Okay, it did something with this, but I can see what it did. Mhm. Okay, fine. Categorical. Categorical. Variable importance is mostly age and estimated salary, and user ID of course 0, and gender also doesn't matter, and nothing else matters. Okay, so here is partial dependence, very interesting. Very interesting. The older the chance of the s- salaries, not salary, the chance of purchasing is bigger with the age. Huh. Okay, understand. It's cool. Sorry for this. Oh, prediction one and age. Okay, and distribution, distribution. hmm distribution. The older distribution. Interesting, very interesting. Mail show. What is it? Cool, wonderful. So, condition expectation plot expectation. Yes, bread and label, bread and label and uh-huh. Fine, very cool. It's a gift for a new year. Okay, manage. Then I can use this model very in a very simple way. So I let me remove my old. And one thing I did not. Uh, sorry. Uh, understand the model, my model, and it did not do this one. That's why I tried to use the decision. Why? Okay, okay. Sorry. So I can manage model and export a model. So I'll export it in my Google Colab export, and it will show me the code how I can use this one. So I'll copy it, go in my Colab, make. Oh, sorry, here is Russian, but it's okay, suppose. Here, social ads. And so it links to my model, and I can put here my data, and it will give me the result of the prediction. It's wonderful. Nothing to do, nothing to learn. Python, uh, n- no, no need to put some GPUs. Oh, what's it? Okay, okay. A bug. So let me do one thing. I'll check check the data. So let me, for example, put the estimated salary. Uh-huh. And, I and then I'll one okay one one 150,000. It will give me it must give me a zero, uh, and for example, for not zero one, and for example this one, 1919 male user ID. It's okay. It must be this one. So 150,000. Age is 32. User ID should be deleted. It can't be used in this task. Why? And 47. 47. And female. Here is female. Female. The female. Так. Female, and here is 25, or is it male? Okay. I can get no satisfaction. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Da, da, da. So I'll pause. So while it is downloading, so a little bit thinking about a regression, logical regression, and cl classification. As far as I understand, it is a classification task where I can and binary classification task, but here is used a regression and binary regression. Binary classification. What's the difference? Ah, logistic regression and binary classification. One, wonderful. So it does not give me a clear one or clear zero. Maybe it can be determined as probability of this, as in classification tasks do, but it's okay. It works. So, what the problem? So something strange happened. It gave me a mistake, and here is it. Okay, I'll open social ads. And why it doesn't? And it gives me something that I did not get in my previous lab. So it is surprise, and I'll show the result of another something with keras something. So I'll show you my other result. Uh, Maybe it also stopped working. So it's a fraud data set. Let me start. Where I can predict whether it is a fraud or not. I'll open it and sometime. Okay. It is much more bigger, and the target is fraud 0 or 1. 1. Where is 1? Somewhere 1. Find 1. Okay. And the algorithm was the same. I trained the model. Here it is. I can manage models. Okay. I cannot load it here. I can only manage it. Here it is. Fraud model, and I can only view it in Google Drive. Here is the data. I cannot open it and explore something else. Okay, fine. Come on. And I also made some example where I put my own data here. Hmm? And it worked yesterday. Something in the way. Yeah. Yes. So it gives me error result, and with my data 0, 0, 0, 0. Yes. And with my data, it gives me something near one. Maybe it's like probability, but not probability, of course. So I'll check why it did not work in my collab, my experiment, and maybe write it in the comments. So thank you very much for watching. It's a great instrument. Happy New Year, and see you later. Bye.